Using an 8mm socket and ratchet, go ahead and loosen up this clamp. You can use a screwdriver as well to do this. Make sure that's loose. And go ahead and pop that off of the airbox. Next, release your airbox clips. Lift up. Remove your air filter. Grab the airbox. Gently wiggle it. Pop this tube off the side. And remove the air filter box base. So we want to go ahead and remove this connector right here off of this sensor. On this side, there's a little spring tab that you want to press down and try and work that connector off. If it doesn't come off, you want to press in on that spring tab, and we're just going to use a screwdriver and gently apply some downward motion like so, and pop that off. So we're using a mirror here so you can see where that 10mm bolt is that we have to get to is just to the right of that sensor. So let's go ahead and remove that bolt. With that bolt removed, gently grab the sensor, wiggle it while you're pulling down, and remove the sensor. And we'll go ahead and take the sensor, line that up, and push that back up into the engine. Take your 10mm bolt, go ahead and get that started. Let's go ahead and snug that bolt down. Take your connector, reconnect it. You should hear an audible click once that's locked into place. Now I want to go ahead and take the pins on the bottom of the airbox base and line them up with the rubber mounts on the inner fender here. And you'll feel it pop right into place. Next, you want to grab your air filter. If you're going to replace your air filter, now's the time to do it. Otherwise, go ahead and pop that right in. Take the top, take these tabs, line them up into the notches across the back, fit those in, secure the lid. Install a side port on the airbox. Install the intake tube. There is a tab on your intake tube that lines up with the notches on the box. Pop that into place. Next, we want to go ahead and secure the clamp.